Click on the link below to get price. The Compact Embroidery Machine with 15 needles is a versatile tool designed for both novice and experienced embroiderers. With a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine is engineered to enhance productivity while maintaining precision. It features a 10-inch touchscreen display, allowing users to navigate through options effortlessly and customize designs with ease. At first glance, the machine's compact design is noteworthy, as it makes it suitable for home use or small workspaces. Despite its size, it is equipped with 15 needles, providing a broad range of color options that can be changed quickly. This feature is particularly beneficial for projects that require multiple colors, as it minimizes the time spent switching threads manually. One of the key advantages of this embroidery machine is its user-friendly interface, which is facilitated by the large touchscreen. The screen not only displays the designs but also allows users to adjust settings and monitor the stitching process in real time. This aspect can be especially useful for beginners, who may appreciate the visual aids and straightforward navigation. The touchscreen is responsive, making it easy to select pre-programmed designs or upload custom patterns, which can be a valuable feature for those looking to personalize their projects. The machine operates at a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, which can significantly enhance efficiency, especially for larger projects. This speed, combined with the automatic needle threading function, allows for a seamless experience. Users can expect smoother transitions between different thread colors and reduced downtime, as the machine handles thread changes with minimal manual intervention. When it comes to usage, the Compact Embroidery Machine is relatively straightforward. Users can set up their workspace by ensuring that all necessary materials like stabilizers and threads are prepared beforehand. The instructions provided in the user manual are comprehensive, guiding users through the setup process, as well as maintenance tips to keep the machine in good condition. In summary, the Compact Embroidery Machine with 15 needles presents itself as a practical choice for those interested in embroidery. Its combination of speed, user-friendly technology, and multiple needle functions makes it a compelling option for both casual crafters and those pursuing more serious projects. Whether creating intricate designs or simple patterns, users may find that this machine meets their needs effectively, allowing for creativity to flourish.